your mother, when your mother call you your full name, you're dead.
You like, jeez, what did I do?
What did I do? When your mother say,
then just run.
I'm like,
you better start my check. Did you watch the play?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Look who is here. That's Jane from Jack and Jane's channel. And today, she is going to be teaching me how to cook the popular garden egg stew with yum.
Your head not correct.
My head not correct.
Not at all.
So she's going to be the instructor. It's been long we have like a cooking video up, so it's good. So she's going to be teaching me how to make the stew.
50 euros.
50 euros, Abby.
I'm not that expensive.
50 euros, she just said.
I'll show them what we have already.
Okay, so we're going to show you guys the ingredient.
So we have washed our garden egg already. I know you guys seen it. I hope so.
I think so.
You seen it?
These are called garden egg, guys. Just one so you can see. Yeah.
It doesn't have any smell.
No.
I have a funny one.
Why does this look so funny? This look like handicapped.
Oh. So now we're just going to boil it.
So we start by putting the garden egg to boil. Do I need to close this?
Yes, por favor.
Por favor. Kelly, stop acting. Kelly is pretending she doesn't eat fish.
Me? No, I don't eat other fish. I can eat everything. The tail, I will eat everything for you. But the head.
Oh, me, I eat head of fish, yeah?
How many of you eat head of fish?
Please comment below the Nigerian ones though, eh?
It's only Nigerian ones.
Oh, just everybody in general. If you guys eat head of fish. I think Jamaicans eat head of fish as well.
I don't eat head of fish. If you eat the head of the fish, I think you'll be more smarter than normal.
Yeah, that's why I'm brilliant. Now that's why.
Oh,
see, that's why I'm so smart.
Jeez, help me.
That's why I'm so smart.
I'm not gonna
Smart.
say anything. I'm saying nothing. Nothing.
Do you see? That's why I'm very, very smart.
No commento.
So you better start eating head of fish.
So we have here the burger fish.
Dried fish. Now we're just gonna wash the fish.
Wash. I just like to remove this. I don't know what it's called.
That is the intestine.
Is it?
Yeah, like the stomach of the fish.
Oh, I don't like eating that.
So I let Kelly do that.
Legend.
That's your job. Do that. Okay.
Thank you very much. We're safe.
Okay, guys. So we're going to season the fish because we're going to boil it for a few minutes. And I'm using a Maggi cube and this brand, Maggi.
And the real one you should get is ta-da! Oh, this is really the African. I mean, hope you know this Maggi.
Maggi.
It's not focusing.
I think it's not focusing.
No, focus.
But this is the one, Kelly. This is like the original Nigerian Maggi. So I put one cube of Maggi. I'm also going to be putting some dry pepper because we like it spicy. Ooh, we like it spicy.
And
I'm putting like salt.
You have to break it down.
So we're just going to let that cook for how many minutes, Kelly?
Oh, not that long.
5. So we're just going to let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. The fish.
I went ahead to soak the dry fish in water. So it just get a little bit soft.
Yeah.
So now we can slice our onion. So now we're just going to put the washed tomatoes and pepper inside for everything to boil together.
Yeah.
You put salt already, a little bit.
No. Do you need to put salt?
You can, but since we're going to match it anyway.
Okay.
It's gonna be okay. I'm just going to... Oh, hold on a bit. Just take the water away. Filter this off. Woo. So what I normally do, I try to peel the skin off.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be very perfect though. Just a little bit. Ooh.
Is it hot?
No. Yeah, it's really hot. Like, ooh. So just peel it off. Thing is, you guys, some of the people know me as Jane. That's my given name, Jane.
Yeah.
But a lot of people call me Kellys. Actually, Kellys. But in the Netherlands, they are very strange people, so they always try to rip names.
Strange people.
So actually, it's Kellys, but people say Kellys. And we call Ovoke, this one over here.
Me? Can you see me? Am I in the clip?
You see her?
Yeah.
I call her Rita.
Yeah.
But her name is actually, her given name is Ovoke.
Yeah.
And Giuseppe, her husband, my brother, I call him Pino. Please don't ask why we're doing this. It's only Jack. You know it's only Jack that have a
Jack doesn't have.
Oh, no. Jack, his name is Jack, but his given name is Yuck.
Yuck. Yeah, but
Please don't do
Jack.
that.
Don't call him
Nobody
Yuck,
no,
please.
no.
Okay.
So actually, all of us we just have our own.
We have our own names. We call each other like when we're together, and then we have our YouTube name. So
which is our real
which
name.
is also our real name as well.
So we just have like, should I call it a nickname? Yeah. It's kind of a nickname,
we
right?
have a nickname.
So that's it.
That's the explanation. So
That's just the explanation. So really hope you guys know from now on, understand what when she called me Kelly, so when I call her Rita.
Yeah. And when we talk about Pino.
Who is Pino? That was it. Like from day one, we started calling each other that name. So now it's very difficult to. And anytime you call me Jane, it sounds so funny. Like
yeah, I don't get it. It doesn't feel right.
No.
Just when she calls me okay, I'm scared. I'm just like, what did I do? You know? You know when someone has been calling like, you know, Africans, when your mother call you your full name, you're dead.
You're like, jeez, what did I do?
What did I do? When your mother say,
then just run.
I'm like, Shineke,
You better start my checking. Did you watch the play? Did you close the window?
You start questioning yourself. What did I?
Oh, but I thought mommy, you called me.
That's it, trust me.
Then she's like, come here. Then you know something just happened.
Yeah, that is it.
And when my mom needs something from me, she calls me Nkem. Then I'm like, oh God, okay, mommy, what do you want me to do for you? She always say that.
When she wants a favor, she's like,
Nkem, my daughter. I'm like, oh God. My mother, yes, what do you want? So what's your Delta name?
Emwejivoke.
Emwejivoke. There's actually Ovoke is just an abbreviation of
Emwejivoke.
Who?
Emwejivoke.
Emwejivoke.
Like everything has its own time.
Oh, I love that. That's so cute.
So, Kelly, so now Jane is blending everything together.
But I don't like to, indeed. Please don't use a blender on this because...
This is like the how do you call this? Mortar. Isn't it mortar?
No, mortar is the big one you use.
This is mini mortar.
Please, if you know the name of this thing, let us know. I have no idea.
And it's funny because every dialect has the way they call it.
Yeah, that's true.
So let us know what, in your language, what you call this.
Yeah.
Well, I call it mortar, but I don't know how you call the small one.
Just put a little bit of oil. And let's that get heated. So why you want to do cooking? Okay.
I'm going to put the dried fish. Oh, it smells so good.
Yep.
Smells so good. It smells so good.
Mashed.
Yeah.
Got an egg with pepper and everything. Oh, she wants to read that too. Just gonna put this. This is really heavy, guys. Wow.
Oh, guys, it smells so good.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Just stir a little bit. Yeah.
So we're gonna add like a Maggi cube, the Nigerian Maggi cube, according to Jane.
According to. No, you have the white version of Maggi. Just put a little bit salt, not so much.
Crayfish, right?
Yeah.
This is crayfish, guys. We're gonna add that you the bunch. So guys, this is how it looks like. Zoom in. Look like after, we're just gonna let that cook for a few minutes. So Kelly, yeah.
I don't. Well, a lot of African people eat yam. So if you're not African, I don't really know how I'm going to explain this, but I think a lot of you know cassava. So it's kind of like cassava, but it's not. Oh, okay. But it's kind of like a brother to cassava.
I think like for like our Caucasian subscribers, you can like think about potatoes. Yeah.
But
more stronger texture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. So this is how it looks in inside. So I'm just gonna slice that. So we're gonna add some plantain.
I think everybody know what it is.
Yeah.
This is the unripe one though. I think people know the ripe one.
Oh yeah. Okay. See, so we have mixed. We have plantain and yam. Salt
Into boiling water.
You can wait for it to boil first before you put your.
But I don't think it's really necessary.
A lot of people, if my mom see this, she's gonna like, why? But a lot of people do it in a different way. So I'm just gonna put the yam and the plantain. It doesn't matter if you have too much water because you can always take the water away, throw the water away. And now we'll leave it to boil. So we're going to add our boiled fish. Oh, what is on here with this head of fish? So just going to make everything boil together. And we wait. So we just pour the water out of the pot of the yam. So I think we're ready to go. So guys, this is for Madame.
Guys, look at it.
Let's back test it first. Oh no, then we have to order pizza.
Guys, it really tastes good. This is like my first time eating this, and it tastes really, really good.
You don't have to like to spare my feelings, huh?
Yeah, that's lekker.
No.
And Jen Inkem Nakama. What's your name now?
Call again, you say?
Ikem
Nakama. This guy is raping my name now.
How you calling it now?
Ikemakona.
Ikem, where's he?
Ikemakona.
So Jane is tired, even though she has to work in an hour. So I'm just gonna let her chill here for a while before she heads back. But I think it's so nice of her that she came to visit.
I'm not that bad.
And also brought food.
I'm not that bad.
Yeah, she's the sweetest.
I'm not that 50 euros.
I dey praise you. Praise you. But anyways, so yeah.
No,
we're going
to be nice. We've not seen each other for like a month. When last did you come to? No,
longer.
3 months.
Is it 3 months?
4.
No, it's not 4, kid.
5.
You need to start going down. Why you keep going up? Why are you talking like that? It's not 4 months.
3. Okay, 2 months ago.
Okay, 2 months ago was the last time we saw.
We do talk, but this woman, she's staying like hours away from me. So
you're staying in that village.
5 minutes. Look, it's calling you stay in that village. Mine is a city. No, the thing is like, I think it's 45 minutes drive. But somebody doesn't want to take free time to come and visit me. So
45, is it 45 minutes from here to Adam?
just 45 minutes, huh? 45, not even up to an hour.
Anyways, we're going to sign off. Thank you for coming to visit me.
You're more than welcome.
But anyways, thank you guys so much. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.
Ciao.
Deuces.